So we have the patient package. I'm explaining to him what's going to happen, mostly noise, lots of wind. We need to get him up into the plane without causing further damage to him. His heart rate's a little elevated, his blood pressure's pretty high. Stress can be a huge factor in that. So if they're not calm and we start hoisting them, it's a bad day all over again.
I got ready for pickup. Patient's on the way up. Patient's halfway up. Airline being attended. Patient's outside the cabin door. Bring a patient inside the cabin. Ready to take the load. Taking the load. Chris, clear the deck. Back left 30. Chris, load cabin. Chris is inside the cabin.